ito na ang chismis. Someone reached out to me after a year because I've posted uh, a wake up call message for that person that I hope you're happy. Hindi, joke lang. Na I hope yung taong yon is hindi katulad nung una ko siyang nakilala. Na sana hindi niya gawin yung ginawa niya sa akin dun sa panibagong tao na makikilala niya or nakilala niya. I did not expect that person to reach out at all because, hello, isang taon na yung nakalipas and I don't care about him anymore. I was just looking back since napansin ko na okay na talaga ako. But then again, he reached out and then nag-sorry ganyan. Inaccept ko naman yung apology. Pero, ay nako. Anyways, I guess it's just an apology lang talaga. And kapag nagkaroon ng closure yung isang bagay, dapat hindi na tayo mag-expect na magtutuloy-tuloy pa yon because obviously mas mabubwisit ka lang sa taong yon. Been there, done that. To be honest, nag-expect ako na baka maging friends kami. Kasi yun naman yung plano ko even a year ago or last year. Nai-reach out ko siya after some time kapag ayos na talaga yung pakiramdam ko. I almost did that, I think, on his birthday. I even typed this long-ass message telling him that I forgave him already even though I did not. Because gusto ko lang bigyan siya ng peace of mind that whatever have I said to the letter that I sent him, I did not mean any of it. But then again, hindi ko pa rin sinend yung message na yon. Sabi ko dun sa message na yun, as far as I could remember is, sana in the future, kapag salubong kami, hindi yung tipo na isnabin namin isa't isa. Rather, mag-hello kami, magkakamustahan, na parang walang nangyari. Ganon. Because I would like to have good connection with everyone. Because you only live once. And if meron kang bad blood with everyone, I don't think rest in peace ako. Something like that. So yeah. Siguro nag-assume lang ako na that person will have a good connection with me again as friends. Well, siguro okay na rin yun na inignore ako. Okay lang. Tsaka, I don't find that person attractive na eh. Gusto ko talagang maging mabuti sa lahat. Pero kapag kasi in-ignore na ako, even though hindi naman sila required to ganito, ganyan. Pero nakakainis kasi. Nag-promise eh. May pinangako na babalik. Parang be right back. Hindi talaga totoo yung word na yun, yung be right back. Or, kaya ayoko yung mga nagsasabi na usap tayo maya tapos hindi naman pala gagawin. Ayoko nang ganon. Basta ayoko nung kasabihin na pinag-expect ka na gagawin niya naman yung bagay na yun at the end of the day, pero hindi naman. Ay, nako. Ako, kahit busy ako, kapag naalala ko nga, munti ko na makalimutan to. Sinasabi ko naman to sa tao eh, pero bakit sila? So, naisip ko, baka hindi talaga ako nagmamatter. So, yeah, it's fine. Ganun naman talaga ang buhay, di ba? That's it. I just had, gusto ko lang i-release to. Buti na lang, Meron akong mga kaibigan na talagang consistent. Yun lang.